Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry there's been a little while. To be honest, I have just left Olivia Jan-Feb doing his thing since I put the money on, which was mid-January. Now it's almost the end of February, so it's been a month and a half. And because I trust this particular trader so well, Olivia Jan-Feb, I haven't felt the need to look. As soon as I add more traders and add more capital into eToro, then I will be checking a lot more than I have done this time around. So this video is just a quick update. Don't want the video to be too long, so let's have a quick look now at where we're up to. Okie dokie. Let's see. Okay, so we're at 83 cents. It's been a month and a half, 83 cents. And 0.42% profit. So that's in total for the whole month and a half. We'll come back to this in a second. Let's have a quick look at his actual stats, see what he's been up to. Okay, so his stats, 1% in January and 0.26. I mean, at the moment it's the 29th of February. So I think this is going to be it for February, 0.26. At least it's not in the red, which is, so far based off Olivia Jan-Feb's history, he's never had a red, so, this is good. But I mean, it could have been better. It could, nice 1%, maybe push the boat out a bit, have a 2%. But yeah, 0.26. That's good, that's good. And what's he doing at the moment? He's still got the oil and the US dollar, so does Canada. Okay, he's in the red a bit here, and in the red quite a bit here. Buying. Let's have a quick look. One leverage, good. Opened at 45.87, trying for 0.26. Wow, that's gone down since I last saw it. That's very drastic. No wonder 45 sort of, I was like, 45? What? Threw me off a bit. I've never seen 45. I've never seen it that low. The lowest I thought was always like 50, 51. That would be the time when I was solo trading to put some money on. I mean, obviously I'm copy trading now. I don't look at the news in the sense to find information to help with stock trading. If I did, I would already know why it's gone down to 45 probably. For some massive news, Wow, 45. I'm not surprised why he's buying. I mean, I probably would as well. I mean, it's starting to go up a little bit there, look. Got a little bit of a green candle. This is on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, that's fair. I would buy there. I can't really fault him. He's only down -1 cent as well. Down -1%. Yeah, it's not much. 1 cent. That's good. Hopefully that will bring some nice numbers up for March or April if he holds it that long. And obviously this one's borderline 0%, so hopefully that will swing in the right position shortly. But yeah, as I said, this is just a quick video, just to see how he's doing for the last month and a half. Okay. Also, just to let you guys know that what my plan in regards to adding more funds to the account and copying more traders or topping up existing traders. Basically the plan is to add $200 every time but that will be due to lack of funds due to my solo trading adventure that I had in 2019. Yeah, I just have a lack of funds because of that. I lost a lot of money, as you know. If you've watched my previous video, I lost $13,000 solo trading, and yeah, so I don't have too much funds right now. So at the moment, the plan is to add $200 to eToro, add on a copier or top up an existing copier every quarter of the year. So that's every 3 months. So I started copy trading, technically it was the 15th of January 2020, but in my mind it was the first. I wanted like a New Year's resolution type thing, start everything fresh 2020. So what I'm planning to do is to put a new batch of $200 in on April 1st, so just the day after the end of the first quarter of 2020. I'll have a video up on the 1st of April or the 2nd of April, depending on how long it takes to edit it. And if I can, I will also make another short video before that, just saying who I'm going to look into adding a new, which copy I'm going to add to, or if I'm just going to add more funds to Olivia Danville to get that threshold up, that 50% threshold that I was talking about in the previous video with the Excel file. Basically at the moment I'm still unsure. I don't know who I'm going to put it on, whether I'm going to top up Olivia Danville or choose a new trader out of the 5 remaining traders that we got on the watch list. So yeah, that about does it for this one. As I said, it's just a quick one, just to show you what's going on. Made a little bit of profit, just shy of $1 profit every month and a half with a $200 input. Yeah, and that about does it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll have another video up in about a month's time from now, if not before. But yeah, if you have any questions or queries, just leave me a comment below on YouTube, or feel free to talk to me on eToro, leave a comment, put a post on my page, or whatever you fancy. Okay, alright, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, thanks.